we were told that that group would be super resistant because they hate technology. So the assumption is because they don't have technology, it's because they don't like technology. What we've actually learned from doing it is they don't have technology because they never saw a good opportunity to use it that made sense in their business. So for us, we paid a lot of attention to what they do, how they do it. So we have two channels to market. We have what we call direct to customer that we're doing on our SaaS, and that's where we're focusing on these smaller, simpler, operationally driven kinds of businesses like farms and fishing operations and co-ops and packers and things like that on what we call the primary source of the food supply chain, the beginning of it. They grow a handful of products in a single place. They're not really complicated organizations. They may do a lot of business and a lot of volume, but they're very operationally focused. If we bring them operational value, they soak it up. One of our first customers, we sat down with them. We showed them the solution and how to set up a few things. And then basically that was a year ago. They've used it 4 or 5 times a week, 7, 8, 9, 10 transactions a day for a year straight with only a handful of questions to us. And they've actually showed us things about the platform and how to use it and how to apply it because they view it as a key tool to solve their problems. They know exactly what they want. And we've been really impressed by their ability to absorb and use technology, but they don't do it for the sake of technology. They do it for the sake of operational gain.